guys, Jaden here from Jtidestiny, and today we will be igniting iron. For this experiment, you're going to need steel wool, a wooden dowel, a tray, whatever this is, to conduct your experiment in, a little bit of foil, and a lighter. And by the way, yes, this is another male science kit. Also, if you guys get the male science kit, then you can actually do these experiments along with me. Okay, so step one, you're gonna take one of these little bags of steel wool and open it and then take out the steel wool. Ooh, this feels weird. Then you're gonna wanna fluff it up. So after you've done this, you're going to want to take your foil and put it inside your little conducting area. Then you want to fluff up your steel wool a lot, not a little more, and place it on the foil. Then you take your lighter and a wooden dowel. What you do, you light the wooden dowel and then light it from a safe distance, like this. Once your dowel is nice and on fire, step away and slowly put the dowel in. As you can see, the iron is starting to burn up. Let's do it again. See if I do this on the front. It is starting to spark. Look how pretty it is. As you can see, the steel wool is pretty much burned. If you do the lighter on it, it really ignites. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Jtidestiny. See you guys next time.